Na-encounter mo na ba ang word na discernment? As defined by dictionaries, discernment is basically the ability to judge well. Subalit according to the spirituality of Saint Ignatius of Loyola, discernment is about finding the voice of the Spirit of God speaking to us in the ordinary and practical details of our lives. Swak ang definition na ito sa ating gospel for today as it narrates how the Magi or the wise men were seeking for the prophesied king by following the guidance of the star. Good thing for the wise men. Sila'y may guide to find what they were looking for. Pero madalas sa ating pang-araw-araw na karanasan, we are faced with a lot of paths to take to the point na naliligaw na tayo at yumuyuko na sa pagod at kawalan ng pag-asa. Whenever we experience such, ituon natin ang ating mga mata sa langit and look for our guiding star. Walang iba kundi si Jesus. Hindi lang ang star ng Pasko kundi ang tala sa ating paglalakbay because with God's guidance, we can never go wrong. G ka ba?